Oh my gosh, I literally can't believe how long they've grown. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to use castor oil for your eyelashes, plus tips and tricks on how to grow longer lashes. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm just starting out and I've got a goal to reach 200 subscribers this month. So help me reach my goal. I really appreciate you guys. I post videos every week on hair growth, plus beauty hacks, tips and tricks. So I'd really appreciate your support. So I have been using castor oil for 2 months now and I'm literally blown away by the results. Like, it's been insane growth. And I used to have eyelash extensions, which made my eyelashes fall out. I literally had not a single lash. Okay, well, a slight exaggeration, but you get the point. Fast forward to today, and my lashes are long, thick, and growing. I'll be going through the right way to use castor oil for your eyelashes, plus my exact method that helped me grow my eyelashes. So watch till the end to get all my tips. First things first, what castor oil am I using? Do not skimp on this step. You want to get the best castor oil that you can get. Your eyes are precious, you do not want to be buying cheap castor oil for this. I recommend you get cold pressed organic castor oil. Cold pressed oils are higher quality as they're processed at lower temperatures, which doesn't reduce the nutrient content of the oil. You want it to be organic because it's healthier in general, it's less toxic, and it's better for our planet. The one I use is Puka. So this is an organic cold pressed oil. As you can see, it's cruelty free. It's part of the Soil Association, so I know that it's organic. Get one that is in an amber glass bottle like this one. Ew, bit of hair. The amber glass protects the oil from the sun and stops it from spoiling and going rancid. But as long as the oil is cold pressed, organic, and in an amber glass bottle like this one, then you're good. I prepare my lashes for the application of castor oil, making sure that my lashes are completely clean and free from any residue of mascara or eyeliner. I'm going to show you the right way to take mascara off without taking your eyelashes out, because I suffered from that a lot. I hate with a passion the process of taking mascara off. What can you do? I can't live without mascara, so. The goal is to get the mascara off as easily as possible without taking eyelashes out. So I wet my eyelashes, then apply a thinner oil like argan or jojoba oil. Then I add more water, then go over my lashes with a micellar water and cotton pad. I'm using Nivea. And then on top of that, I use a face wash and make sure I get the last bits of mascara off, and then make sure I rinse them really well until there are no black marks on the cotton. I found doing it this way helps to keep the lashes intact and let them grow longer. Let's now get into how to actually apply the castor oil. Tip number 1 is use your fingertips to apply the castor oil. You really don't need to use a brush for this or spoolie, but do wash your hands beforehand. I like to use my fingertips because I can control exactly how much castor oil I can apply to my lashes, and it means you don't need to spend extra money buying the spoolies or whatever they're called. But if you prefer, you can use it. I'm going to show you both ways. So I pour a little bit of castor oil in the lid, then pour a tiny bit to my fingertip. I then apply the castor oil just to the tips of my lashes, then use my whole finger to distribute it across the whole lashes. I like to push the oil right from the root of the lash to really stimulate growth. So I like to gently massage the castor oil into the root of the lashes. This really helps to stimulate the growth. Try and be careful and not get any in your eye. I found that when I do get it in my eye, my eyesight gets a little bit blurry, but a little amount goes a long way. If you do get it in your eye, I normally just get a wet finger and just flush it out with water and it should be fine. Did you know that Cleopatra used castor oil to whiten the whites of her eyes? Actually a mad thing. I do not recommend doing that at home at all. So then I do the same process on the other eye, and any leftover castor oil in the lid, I apply it to my eyebrows. Thickens them up if you like that full brow look. Comment below how you use castor oil. Are you a finger gal or a spoolie gal? Hashtag finger versus spoolie. So I'm now going to show you how to apply it with a brush or spoolie. So with the castor oil in the lid, I dip the old clean mascara brush or any type of brush that you have into the oil and make sure I brush off the excess and then apply it to my lashes. But be careful not to take your eye out. I've done it before, and you know when you're doing your mascara and you stab yourself in the eye? Yeah, don't do that. Another tip that I just wanted to share with you guys is that you put the castor oil underneath the lash and on top of the lash, and that way you're covering the full lash. So the results have been after 2 months of use. I did this consistently morning and night, and you know, there might be some days where you might skip it, but try and be consistent. Don't skip castor oil for eyelashes day. The more you do it, the better result. What I will say is, at the minimum, do it at night. A tip and trick that I like to do is I apply the castor oil an hour before I go to bed. It allows the castor oil to absorb in the eyelashes so that you don't wake up with crusty eyes. Trust me, you do not want crusty eyes without it seeping into your eye while you sleep. If you're enjoying my hair series, do check out my other videos. I talk about how I beat my hair loss, a good scalp care routine, and how to grow your edges. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and may your lashes grow long and thick.